I always thought cars were cool, it'd be cool to work on them. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna run with it. So I decided to take a bunch of classes and then come out here to really get the full experience and maybe find myself a job.
The car's changing every year, so we have to keep our training updated. So we work hand in hand with the dealerships. That's where the new technology is coming out.
The automotive industry is looking for tens of thousands of people in the industry. And that's just not repair, that's management, service, parts, transportation. So as far as job sustainability and job demand, it's huge.
Within that automotive program, it takes a deep dive into, if you're interested in automotive, it gives you experience in the automotive field. So the fundamental course just introduces a student to the fundamentals of automotive. If a student decides that they're interested in further, just exploring that field, they can take additional courses, which will be the Auto 1 and also the Auto 2. And we also have an Auto 3 class that completes a pathway. Within that automotive program, we have 7 schools that participate in that program.
They're strategically placed, so wherever the students are at in Charlotte, they should have access to one of these automotive schools if that's what they're interested in.
I'm thinking while I'm in college, probably doing something with automotive. I'm studying to do computer network engineering. It's a good opportunity.
We are giving them the opportunity to get ground floor information in a trade that's in high demand, that they can go straight into the workforce or continue their education post-secondary and enhance it.
I'm working at Audi right now for an internship, seeing how I want to do that. And I've gotten one small job through the school, setting up inverters for the Charlotte Auto Show. That was a really fun experience. I got to hang out there and did get paid.
These students leave with these credentials, they go to the dealerships and they actually get those jobs that they're applying for with those credentials. So CMS has done a good job of looking to see what's out there and what the dealerships are wanting, and then paying for these testing for the students. There's no out-of-pocket for the students to take these tests.
I found an interest in cars. I think the complexity and all the parts needed to make a car function, I found that really intriguing. There's so much electrical stuff. When people think of cars, they think of engines, tires, but a lot of a car's function relies on a computer and electricity. And most of the problems you'll see here, they're all electrical.
I think it's important that people realize there's many different paths in automotive. It does not mean you're going to be fixing cars for the rest of your life. It's really what you do with your experience. It can go anywhere.